When do we want this constraint to be operative? Just in words, under what condition? Yeah, when we're producing at plant 1, right? Okay, when y2 is 0. And when y4 is 0. What happens when y4 is 0? Just in terms of this constraint. If y4 is 0, what does this one read like? Just the original constraint, right? When y4 is 1, that is when we're producing at plant 2, not plant 1, what does this constraint read like? 3x1 plus 4x2 plus 2x3 is less than or equal to 30 plus a huge number, right? And here we can't get away with anything smaller, but a huge number like infinity. And why would we want to do that? Say it again? Yeah. Okay, yeah. So that's a good thing. Don't call it arbitrary. Call it redundant, because what it is like putting a constraint that I should live to be no more than 2 million years old. Okay, it's probably not going to make having that kind of constraint on is not going to affect my life in much of a way. And having a constraint that says 3x1 plus 4x2 plus 2x3 is less than a gazillion is not a constraint at all, right? Okay, it places no restrictions. So we'll call that a redundant constraint. It wouldn't define the feasible region in any way.
What was the problem with these two inequalities in the first place?
Well, the problem is that we wanted one and only one of them to be around.
You only want to produce that one factor.
Yeah, that's right. We're restricted to that, and we're trying to make the decisions all at one time, and so it's not like we could go and decide we're going to do it at plant 1 to begin with, and just pick this constraint and plop it in the model. At a factory, it can produce all 3 of the items, but only one of the factories is going to be around for these new products, and the other one is going to be off, still making Beanie Babies or something. Okay, so something that we already have. Okay, good. So, and how about this constraint? This is the constraint that we want operative if we're making stuff at plant 2. And if we're making stuff at plant 2, y4 is equal to 1, and this would be all 0 here, and we'd end up with a constraint that we're interested in. And of course, this constraint will be redundant in that case. And if y4 is equal to 0, that is, we're making things actually at plant 1, then this constraint becomes redundant. The bottom constraint becomes redundant.